Testing a single mean with data provided. This is Chapter 10, Section 10.3. A teacher claims that the average test score in her class is less than 75, so we need to test that the mean is less than 75. And as you know, the null hypothesis is always the equal sign. We have a random sample of 10 test scores was taken. We need test to claim at alpha equals 0.05. This is a t-test, a t-stats. And let me show you how to do it using StatCrunch. I already put the data set in StatCrunch, so let me show you. Here you go, you can see I put it in variable 4, so you go to stat, t-stat, one sample with data this time. Select your data set. There you go, variable 4. And here you need 75. And let me just show you the whole thing. And you need to make sure that you select mean is less than 75 here. That's the alternative sign. And then hit compute. And look what we get. The test is I made a mistake. It should be t-stat. Sorry. Let's do it again. t-stat. One sample with data. We're selecting variable 4. That's a 75. Less than. And let me show you how the compute is. So you can see the whole thing, guys. Compute. And now it's working. So t is negative 3.273 and p-value is very small, 0.0048. So let's go back to Word. And the p-value is 0.00. Let me look again, 48. Which is of course less than alpha, which is 0.05. So we reject HO. And if you reject HO, guys, and the claim is in H1, you support the claim. So you say there is enough evidence at the 0.05 level of significance to support the teacher claim that the average test score in her class is less than 75. That completes the problem. If you are to do this in StatCrunch and using calculator, let me show you. First of all, you press on Edit, Stat, Edit. You enter the data set into L1, and then you go to Stat, Tests, t-test. Number 2, you select data this time, guys, because you have the data set and you're testing against the word against 75. Sorry. T-test. Enter. Data 75. You see, put your data in L1. You choose less than because we're testing less than 75. And then you hit calculate. And then you're going to get the same test statistic and p-value that we got when using StatCrunch.